Here's a trap that has tripped up seasoned developers. JavaScript considers -0 and +0 identical in array lookups, even though they're technically different numbers. Why? And how can you tell them apart? Creates an array named arr containing two elements both numerically equal to 0 but distinguished by sign. The first is +0 implicit in JavaScript. The second is explicitly -0, storing them for later comparison operations. Calls the includes method on arr with argument -0 to test whether the array contains a value numerically equal to -0. Due to ES 2016 behavior treating +0 and -0 as equivalent in array searches, this checks against both entries. Calls includes on arr with argument +0 to verify if the array holds a value numerically equal to +0. Despite neither element being explicitly labeled +0, JavaScript considers both zeros identical under SameValueZero semantics. Performs a strict equality comparison between the literal values 0 and -0. JavaScript follows IEEE 754, where +0 and -0 compare as equal despite differing in sign bit representation. Uses reciprocal division with negative and +0 to derive infinity values, then compares the results against built-in constants, infinity and infinity. This exploits IEEE 754 arithmetic rules, where dividing a positive number by -0 yields negative infinity and by +0 yields positive infinity. Defines a helper function named is_0 that takes one parameter in. It returns true only if n is numerically 0 according to strict equality and if the reciprocal of n produces a negative value, thereby differentiating -0 from +0 where standard equality fails. Invokes the previously defined is_0 function 3 times with arguments -0, +0, and 1 respectively. For each call, it returns a Boolean indicating whether the argument is precisely -0 based on reciprocal behavior. Remember, in JavaScript, -0 and +0 compare as equal for all practical purposes, but you can detect the sign using division. Subscribe for daily coding videos.